Welcome back. I'm Jess from Okayest Family Travels. All right, let's talk TSA liquid rules. Not exactly a thrilling subject, I know, but trust me, nothing ruins your airport mood faster than having a TSA agent toss your bottle of Aveda shampoo in the trash like it's expired yogurt. So today we're breaking down the basics of TSA's liquid restrictions. No weird hacks or tips, just what you need to know so you can get through security without looking like someone who's never left their hometown before. Why do these rules even exist? Short version, security. Back in the early 2000s, there was a plot involving liquid explosives. After that, TSA said, cool, tight. We're done letting people roll through with random gallons of mystery. So they came up with the 311 rule, which is basically the constitution of liquid travel in the United States right now. The 311 rule: 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters per container, 1 quart-size clear zip-top bag, 1 bag per passenger. That's it. That's the playbook. You break it, you lose your artisanal beard oil. So how do you pack this stuff like someone who knows what they're doing? Well, it's easy. Grab a quart-size bag, not a gallon, not something that says TSA approved. There's no such thing. TSA doesn't officially approve bags. Get a regulation quart-size bag. I got a whole pack of them from Dollar Tree for 5 quarters, or you can pick up one of these Stashers ones if you're avoiding single-use plastics. Next, put all your liquids, gels, creams, and pastes in containers under 3.4 ounces into that one bag. The important part is the container needs to be under 3.4 ounces. Think toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, sunscreen, lotion, all your little potions and elixirs of modern hygiene. If you can spill it, spray it, spread it, pump it, or pour it, then it's a liquid. If it loses its shape when you take it out of the container, it's a liquid. If there is any doubt in your mind, it's a liquid. Pro tip, if you pack things horizontally, you can fit more things in. Now, what is allowed in your carry-on or personal item? Medications? Totally allowed, even if they're over 3.4 ounces. But here's the catch, you got to declare them at security. Don't just toss a prescription cough syrup in there and hope nobody notices. Same deal with liquid baby food and liquid formula or breast milk. TSA is cool with all that stuff, but again, declare it. It saves everyone an awkward conversation later. Now for the bad news. Anything over 3.4 ounces that isn't essential is not allowed. That $50 bottle of organic hair serum, leave it at home, decant it, or check it. No large bottles of water, no flammable liquids, sorry pyros, and absolutely no full-size cans of hairspray unless you really want to get pulled aside by security for a special check. Don't try to sneak by with a thermos of soup thinking you're clever. TSA's seen it all, you won't win. Declare it or ditch it. When in doubt, check the TSA website. More on that later. Packing liquids like a pro is an art form. Here's how you win. Buy travel-size versions of your favorite products. They cost a little more per ounce, but they will save you hassle and time. You can use reusable travel bottles, fill them with your own stuff, label them. TSA loves when you label stuff. Makes them feel respected. I have multiple videos on ways to decant your toiletries and cosmetics. Check on them after you finish watching this. Put that quart bag at the top of your carry-on or in your personal item. Nobody wants to be the person digging through their underwear at the security line because they buried their toiletries at the bottom of their suitcase. If you have TSA PreCheck, you can keep your liquids in your bag, but always be prepared for inspection. It should be noted that some airports have newer scanning equipment, and you won't have to remove your liquids regardless of whether or not you have PreCheck. And lastly, don't pack drinks. I know, you just bought that $7 latte. Slam it before security or watch it get sacrificed to the trash gods. You don't need that kind of emotional pain at 6 a.m. in an airport terminal, trust me. Final thoughts here. Travel doesn't have to be hard. Check the TSA website before you fly if you want the absolute latest info. They update that thing like it's their favorite hobby. They even have something called Ask TSA on social media where you can get answers to your specific items. Go ahead and screenshot that answer, but remember the TSA agent in front of you has the final say. Go forth, travel smarter, keep your shampoo small, and your stress level even smaller. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe so YouTube knows to serve our videos up to everyone. If you need help planning your next adventure, I'm a travel agent that specializes in Disney, Universal, and cruise vacations, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.